Hello, my name is Nubia Olarte and I'm going to talk to you about my English learning process, which I divided in four steps. The first one is high school. It was back in the 80s. We the school used the Express It in English collection, which was a technical English book focused on reading, writing, and grammar. The second step are the English courses I took. One of them is Praxis English Academy, which was a 32 modules course. I had the opportunity to study TOEFL there. I also studied TOEFL at Colombo, and then I had the opportunity to travel to the United States um, through a work experience program. It was a program that allowed us to work for 4 months and then travel for 1 month. I improved my listening there. It was a great experience. After that, I decided that I wanted to be a translator and started studying teaching English as a foreign language at UIS, where I had four English courses, intensive English courses. They were 10 hours a week, and there we had phonetics, syntax. I consider I need to improve my speaking abilities. Um, Vocabulary also when I speak. I There's so much vocabulary I know, but I don't remember it when I'm speaking. Mm, and that's it.